What's up, guys? Today we're working back on the MK1 GTI today. So on the agenda, hopefully we're gonna get the dash back in. Also got the insulation here. We're gonna put that on the floor and hopefully get the carpet in and possibly even get to work on the seat. So we'll see, but hoping to get a lot done today. So just cleaned the dash all up here. It is just looking fabulous. So just can't wait to see what that looks like in the car. Right here, we just switched this out with these vents right here. Because this is a factory non-AC car, it would only had the vents on the ends here. So trying to keep the OEM, and I think it's kind of cool that it just has this extra little storage thing right here for something different. Alright guys, so we got the dash in here. It is just looking awesome. Just so clean, and it's good to see back together there. That tachometer looks like crap right there, so I'm going to move that. It is just a temporary thing, but it just looks awful, so I'm not sure we're going to do that for that. But I'm going to go sweep out the floor here and then put the insulation down, and then we can put the carpet down. So super excited to get this thing back together. Guys, we just got the insulation in here. Thanks to Mitch for his help. Yeah, it looks really good. It was just some cheap Amazon knockoff insulation, but worked out pretty good. And I just used some 3M tape, and yeah, it actually worked really good. It's really nice, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna work. Yeah, we'll get the carpet in here next, and yeah, I'm excited to see how this is gonna look. Well guys, this right here is why you do not buy things at Walmart. All of a sudden I realized this thing wasn't working and the ground wire just fell off. So yeah, not exactly what I wanted, but hey, it's what you get for 15 bucks. So fixing my own problems, and hopefully we'll have it back together here soon. We have had some awesome progress today. I am just super stoked. So finally got all this in here. It is just looking fantastic. We also got this in here, which is looking a little tacky. See what I did there? Well, it's not a permanent thing, so I'm just gonna deal with it for now. It's a little bit odd, but hey, we got that worked out. It does work again, so that's cool. I thought Walmart tacks were awesome, but now, yeah, we'll see what happens, how long it lasts. But it's super nice that that works. Also, got the lights working here, which is super cool. Yeah, it's just really awesome how everything's coming together. Also, just stuck the seats in here. I pressure washed them earlier today, and they're not even bolting. I just stuck them in there because I want to see how that looks. But I just love those 80s colors. Like, it just looks so cool. I just can't wait to see the rest of this together. So super stoked. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys next week for some more MK1 fun.